For the next questions, it wants us to express the equation in logarithmic form. So before we were starting out in logarithmic form and converting to its equivalent exponential form. Now we're doing the reverse. We're starting out with the exponential form and converting to its equivalent logarithmic form. So 6 raised to the 2 is equal to 36. The equivalent logarithmic form would be log base 6 of 36 is equal to 2. For 22, it's going to be log base 5 of 1 over 25 is equal to negative 2. 23 will be log base 10 of 10,000 is equal to 4. And we actually don't need to put the 10 there because it's an implied base if we don't put it. So it's actually just going to be log of 10,000 is equal to 4. And then for 24, this is going to be log base e of y is equal to 3. And log base e, we can express that as ln of y is equal to 3.